Oh, what a shot. The crowd has gone mad. A real crowd please with that one. A rocket of a shot. What a shot. A stupendous blow that comfortably clears the stand. Decent bit of leg work from the hip two. They're scrambling back to the crease. Can they make it? The umpire decides in favour of the bowler, the batter is. They're trying to mix things up a little bit with some quick pace. It's been lofted skyward. Is that going to cost them? They are making them fight for every run. Good show by the fielders. A great pair of hands from the fielder. The batter might be in trouble here. Big push to stay in. Good appeal and it's signalled out by the umpire. That's come out of the bazooka. Belted it far, high and away. What a cracking start. A boundary off the first delivery. Well fielded in the end, returned to fine throw back to the stumps. Big shout there, but the umpire decides in the batter's favour. Time for some spin now. An off spinner comes into the attack. Sensational effort in the field there. Perfect throw to return the ball close to the stumps. Batter gets the call, not out, says the umpire. That was spotted so quickly by the fielder. Brilliant effort. A little hesitant, they're not keen on making any big moves here. No runs off that ball. And that's a six, a massive one. Bad, same result. It's a mighty mode for six. They've decided to call in the leg spinner. Tough opposition for the batting side in this outfield. What a way to save a boundary. That was a well-timed dive. Well fielded in the end, returns a fine throw back to the stumps. A brutal shot that soars into the crowd. That ball's been given a holiday. Reckon it's gone overseas. A change of pace. A fast bowler has now joined the attack. What a hit. That's gone over the top. That is error. Fielder's joy. That's out. The fielders are pulling out all the stops by making all the stops. They get there and chuck it right back.